This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Let's other students has to join. We'll start the class. So I'll discuss about the parking document once more. So let's the topic will start. So some more transactions will be doing like paid office expenses, rent, receive professional fees, tax, cash deposited in the bank. Okay. So I'll write some more transactions here. Today I'll do edit or GL accounts once again. Okay, so we'll do some transactions here. So last class we have given some interest paid transactions. Machinery we have to purchase by cash, that we have to enter. So how to do this? As I told you that we have to go to the SAP Easy Access screen. Okay, SAP Easy Access screen. This is I am in SAP Easy Access screen. I'll show you from the beginning once. So you have to on the software, you will come on this resume the virtual machine. You will come to the SAP Easy Access screen. Then you have to go to the accounting. Here we have a financial accounting, general ledger accounting, posting. I'm going to do the first. So here edit or part GL documents. So yesterday some of the documents we have parked. Let's see one more. So 17 I'll do here GL account. So let's take,
Ma'am,
yes, machinery
your screen
purchase.
is not visible, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share the screen. I forgot to share, I think. Now is it visible to you all? So see here. I'll do once again. Wait. Exit. I am in SAP Easy Access screen like this. When you are resume the virtual machine, So you will get the screen SAP Easy Access. In this you have to put the accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, then posting. In the posting I did yesterday F65 general document parking I have done. Today I'll do all postings also. Park documents also we can post, that is also assured. So FB50. So your company code already there. We need not to change that same company code I am using. Then here GL account. So we have to take machinery account. Suppose purchase machinery by cash. So here to debit amount. Suppose I am giving 6,000. Here I have to enter cash account. So what is that? Cash. So here debit is credit, and this is your what is that? 6,000. Okay. After this, you have to click on simulate. So it is showing machinery account debited to cash. Right. After this, you need to save this. You need to save this. Okay. So document 1,600. Now this all parking has been done. Now what you have to do? I need to post the document. Which document has been parked yesterday and today? That we need to post. So what we'll do in that case? Total 6 document has been parked. So parked document we have to post. So what we'll do in that case? We have to go to the accounts. Here this is the display balance. So master records not, we have to do 1 second. Document, park document, yes. So here we can see document, then park document. Students, you can write the path. Account SAP Easy Access, then accounting, then financial accounting, general ledger, do not click on posting, directly you click on document, then parked document. Okay, document and then parked documents. So first options you can see here FBV0. Write the T code for this FBV0. That is called post or delete the parked document. Post or delete the parked document. So double click here, and this is I'll give first document 1. So fiscal year 2024. Okay, press enter. So what you will see, you can see ICICI Bank. I have deposited ICICI Bank cash account. So that is displaying on the first document. So I need to post the documents. If I click on the post, this document will be posted here. You can see the one instruction will come. Now all the park documents, see document 10 was posted in this one. So this is the green button is displaying, that means the park document has been posted. This is indirect posting, students. This is what? This is for error, anything is there to display, this is for warning, and this is information center. So that means this green color it is there means this document has successfully posted. Okay, then come back, next document 2, that is 1002 I am going to post, or 1,000 also we have to post. We have not posted the 1,000 document. So that is a capital introduce which I have done yesterday. Cash account debited to capital, you can see debit is displaying as a 40, and posting key this is, and credit is 50, and business area account number and amount is displaying. So this is your SA for GL account. If it is asking what is SA, SA is for GL account. posting period is 9 because according to the December, it's a ninth posting period. Okay, all this thing is displaying. Just click on this post. So this document also was posted. I'll show you where all the documents will be displaying. Next, take 1002. This document I need to post 2024. Enter. Today we'll do some more postings also, that is called general posting and GL account posting. So here is the furniture account debited to cash. Directly click on this. So 1002 also document was posted on this. So are you getting this? Once you can write what is that procedure. Likewise, post document initial screen 1000. Sorry, this is to, I have to change the document number. Document number, this is 3003 and this is your 2024. Enter. So this document cash to commission receipt. So click on post. So this also posted. Likewise, we have done six document we have posted. Then 4, that is what, 2024, correct. Then press enter. So this document has little bit wrong yesterday, so it was not able to do. So we can post it today. So document since not part carried out, there is some error was there, so it was not taking. We'll try to simulate this interest paid and then you can post it. So document not parked. So there is some error yesterday it was, but I have done one more time. Save as a complete, you can do preliminary, it is document has been posted. Likewise, document 5. So this is 2024. Press enter. So document 5 will be opening here. Okay. Then interest paid, all these things. It is been interest paid. It has been posted actually. So document is not accounting, not a preliminary one. So this is already posted. So we need not to change anything. Document 6. Let's take document 6, 2024. Enter. So this is also posted. There is a something is displaying. So anyhow, few documents has been passed. This is a post and delete. Now I want to display the document which has been posted. How we can display? So 1005. I want to see what has there. So I can see that this is interest paid cash account 2000. All this thing, and this will be showing. If I'll do changes in the 1001, I want to see what has been posted on that. So you can give on this. This is the displaying here. It's already posted. Now the total balances, if you want to see how we can display on this. Total balances, if I want to see, you have to put the accounts. So the display change in line items. So if BL3N, if I'll do, so it will be displaying 301. So line items will be displaying here company code, open line items, clear line items till 17th. So here you select 17th clearing date. So here we can execute. So what will display, you can see no item selected. Here we have to choose this. Which account I want to see? I want to see the cash account. Whatever the transaction has been done till this, we can see no item selected, long text. Okay, let's take all items and execute. So it listing being generated. See that, students, once more I'll show you that. You have to go to the park document after this account. In this account sections, write the T code FBL3N. Please make a note. Display or change line items. Still any doubt is there, students? Let me know. All are joined. All have joined the class. Okay. Why less students today? 14th. Okay. So two more students are absent. Who is that? Okay, anyhow, are you getting this? You're understanding? So I'll show you with some more examples today. Some more GLs will create, and I'll do direct posting again, parking post. This is a very important concept. So I'll show you with some more examples and it will be clear. And how to display the GL balances also, I'll tell you that. Okay, now see that. Next, FBL31. This is the display balances. Now I want to see the ICICI Bank. So you have to click here and you have to select the ICICI Bank. So now let's take open items only, and this is your execute button F8. Okay, once you'll execute whatever the ICICI Bank transactions, because I have deposited cash. Here is the text is there being cash deposited into ICICI Bank. Narrations I have given means text I have given, so it is displaying. One account it is displaying. Like this for other also you can check. Like we have done purchase account, interest paid account, machinery account. Let's execute this. It is the one transaction has been mistakenly done, that's what it's not showing. If I'll take, I think two transactions has wrongly entered, I'll try this. This interest paid is displaying students which we have done today, so that machinery account is not able to show, but this is correctly entered. So tick mark means your document has been posted, park document has been posted. Okay, likewise let's check some other account. I have not done till capital account, we can check. So here capital we have introduced 5 lakhs, correct. This is called GN line item. GL account line item display. What is the T code? FBL3N. Make a note on this. GL account line item display FBL3N. Okay, so what is cleared items? When we are doing the purchase and sales entries, which is the cleared on the due date, that will display. But if you open items, all the dates which has been cleared, the means posted the documents, that it will be displaying. So you can always choose open items, it will be displaying on this. So if I click on all items, what will happen? You see that, so items which is related to that, it will be displayed. So if let's take cash account once, and I'll take all items. See, whatever cash transaction has been done, students, it will be showing like this. You can take a screenshot of this. So this and all we have entered. This is GL line item display of the cash account. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this for your reference. So I have 5 lakhs introduced. So these many transactions, purchase, sales, deposit, all these things we have done. So rest of the balance also will be displayed. Accounts is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is for cash. Okay. So that is the things. Let's do with the posting. So this is part document we did post, and then we did post, then we did display. Now I'm going to teach you how to do general posting. That is T code is F-02. So I want to create some more GLs to pass this entries. What I'll do, I have to create some. So slash n. What is that? Slash n FS00. Press enter. I'll create some more GLs like advertisement expenses. So 4 lakhs 2 I'm going to create. 4 lakhs 2. Let's take advertisement expenses. Company paid for advertisement. So expenses is a PLN account. So here I'll type advertisement. EXP account. Here you write advertisement expenses. You can give office expenses, anything you can give. Okay. So here control data. So line item display 001. So here create bank interest G001. Okay, save. So I will check once why machinery has some problems. I'll see the control data. So everything is there. It's all done. Machinery account. So if you want to write, you can write. So next I'll do one income, that is commission received. I have done just rent received. That is three lakhs to. Let's take salary received also. I'll do that. So types and descriptions, income. So that is your salary received. Salary received rupees 20,000 by bank. Suppose the question is like that. So control data line item display is short key is 001. Create bank interest is G001. Okay, then click on save. Next is what? I'll take your liabilities is there, income expenses. Okay, so commission paid, rent paid, commission paid. I'll create one more 4 lakhs 3. What I'll create sundry data. So this all has been created. Expenses I have done, income I've done, liabilities I've done. So advertisement expenses. Let's take an example of uh, computer we purchased by suppose check. So what we need to do here. So come back to the slash and F-02. So where it is enter GL posting. So you'll say ma'am navigation wise. I'll show you better navigation wise so you will be getting to know that. So this is F-02 for general posting. So please make a note, students. F-02 is for general posting. Okay, so what we'll do, double click on this. Here we have to give document date 17th. So here account, you have to click on this. Let's take computer we purchase. So computer account, press enter. Computer account is suppose 55,000. Okay, so value date you can give student 17. Being computer purchased by check. Being computer purchased by check. Okay, so here 50. Posting key will be 50. Accounts is by check means ICICI Bank. Okay, please make a note if you are understanding this. Okay, so what we'll do, you have to click on enter. Next amount is I said yesterday that will be star, and for text I will be plus. Correct. So after this you have to click on display documents. Value date it is asking, give the value date for that and click this. So computer account debited to ICICI Bank. So this is post. So this is 1007 was posted. This is direct posting. We'll do one more. Students, any doubts is there till now? Any doubts is there? Anyone has any doubts? All are understanding? Doubts you may ask in the. Brinda has sent one message. What happened, Brinda? I saw that message. Brinda, any doubt you have?
Ma'am, the software, I got it downloaded, but it's not opening properly.
How? Resume the virtual machine.
Uh,
Just
it
click
is
on that.
it is stuck at this one, ma'am. The create new virtual machine, open virtual machine, that screen.
No, admin sir has told you how to open and close. You should not directly close. Once you directly close means it will ask you for the opening of virtual machine. So in that case, there is a longer procedure is there. You know how to share the screen. So what you will do today, you attend today students those who are doing right now or they want any help and all, you can share the screen by 7:15 and check your where is your stuck or something like this. If you know how to share the screen, here you can see one option is there, share screen. I should stop my share screen and you can just share that by 7:10, 7:15 we can do today like that. So those who are facing any problems, please let me know that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. How many students are working on the system? Already started? Please respond. How many students have already started working on the software? Harshita is doing okay. Next. Harshita, you are doing or you have any doubts?
No, ma'am, I have no doubts.
No, okay. So any other students? You have to start already. We are 50% covering now. Not 50 but 40, 30% has been done. So start doing on that. Anywhere you stuck, let me know so I can help you out. Clear? So who is going to share the screen today? I'll just make you the admin, then you can share the screen on that. Do you know how to share the screen? Okay. Okay, Vrunda, we'll see that what can be done. I'll may guide you on that case. Okay. So let's complete
Sure.
the sessions. 30 minutes, 35 minutes. We'll start at 7:15. Every classes now onwards. 7:15. I'll give the time to share. If start doing on this till this much you do it. Till field status creations, ledger creations, GL creations you do it. So maybe Friday again. Whatever I'll teach this week, I'll revise once. So till that you can do. And anywhere stuck, that day we can solve it out as a revised revision class like that. Each week it will be like this. All every Friday I'll be doing like this. So every students will get to know how it is working on this. Okay. Now see that we have done one general posting. Let's take one more example on advertisement expenses. So we have purchased computer. Now document date. This is general posting students. I'm going to do now this one. Enter FB50. Enter GL account. This one. We have a lot of things here. Like general posting is there. Then FB50 enter GL account document that we have not done. We have done general document parking, we have done edit or GL document parking. Now we did this one general postings. Now I'm going to do enter GL account document. So please make a note. That is same only SAP menu, SAP easy access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting, first options FB50. So just write the T code here FB50. I'll show you this. MB50. Write the sentence what is displaying on the screen. So click here, double click, and document date. So 17th, and let's GL account. I'll do advertisement expenses. Okay. So this is debit amount. I'll give just 4,000. And next is buy cash. So you have to select cash account. Here I am not doing any any due transactions like credit transactions. Normal entries I am doing here. Then what you have to do, click on simulate. So advertisement expenses account debited 4,000 to cash account. After this you post. You can parked also, one option is there, you can post also. If you want to park, this document will be passed. This is directly posted. Let's take one more. Will come out from the screen, and again we'll do one more. So let's salary account we have to do. We have one more GL accounts that we'll use. So salary paid. So what I'll do, GL account, salary paid by check. Let's take like that. So here we have a salary received. Okay, salary received is there. One second. Salary paid is not there, I think. Okay, salary received means first cash account will be debit. This is cash account debit. Amount is suppose 25,000. Okay, and what we are receiving, salary. So salary account will be credited by 25,000. You are getting a message or not? When you are clicking on this, you will get the when you are depositing any check, you are getting message from the bank. So this is, let's take parked. So document was parked. Okay, then simulate we cannot do, enter the validate, it will ask. So in that case what you need to do, students, this document has been parked, so we need to go post. So here you go, and document number 92024. So this you see, this is salary, it is a parked document, so we need to post it. So document not parked since the No changes carried out. Okay. Some changes it is asking. I'm not going to change anything. So you can simulate. Okay, now it is done. So you just press enter, simulate and press enter, then post it. Document not parked. Save as a complete. It is posted now. Okay, like this we can do it. Clear. Now FBV3 is the display documents, right? I told you that we have to click, and if I'll see this 2024, the document has to be seen here. See this is displaying. So understood this how to work on that? Hmm? It is posted. It has all been posted at this time. So this is called your parked document and post document, and this is general posting. Post with clearings, different incoming payments. These are all different things are there. Till this, any doubts is there? You understood how to work on this? FB50 display changes. We have not done any changes. If you have done any changes, it will be displaying. Change display screen. Please write the T codes what is displaying on the screen. So I am going to show you now what T codes value for foreign exchange. This and all in the coming classes we are going to do. So what we did, FB65 we did, FB50 is there, F-02 general posting we did, FB50. Please make a note what we have done. So I'll put one cursor, you can just write the headings and all. Then we have done FB50, F2 also, right? F2 is for general posting. Then you write FB50 for edit or park GL account, GL document. Next one is F-65 GL document parking. Okay, finished students all? Everything you have done? Okay, so general document parking, post, incoming payments, outgoing payments, all these things we'll do later. Till this, any doubts you have, students? Any doubts you have? Hmm? Everyone understood? Okay. We'll do by using T codes now. One more from the beginning because I'm going to start by tomorrow accounts payable. Okay. What is accounts payable? All these things will start tomorrow's class. Let's start with the T code ones. Transaction code wise, how to use transactions code in the SAP software. I'm going to show you that. So yesterday I could not get time. Today I am going to start. Let's start with the transactions code. So these are the T codes. I'm going to use T codes now. Define company. Let's create one more company today from the beginning. This all I'm going to close only by using T codes. Till this all clear. Now we have to go SPRO. SPRO. Direct. Or sorry, I have wrongly typed. So we have done SAP reference IMG. Now let's use T codes here. So what is the first T code? So this is OX15. OX15. So what you have to do, students, last and OX15. This is directly it will take you to their company creations. Okay. This is the company creation screen. So click on new entries. Let's take a one company. What is that? I'll not give Tata. I'll give Info 10. Okay. Company name is Infotech Company 10. The numbers you can give on this. So let's take postal code 560011. I'll just show you till 7:15 how it will be using. So Bangalore. This is India. Language key is EN. Okay, currency IN. Like this we have to
Ma'am, your
do.
screen is not visible, ma'am.
How?
Your
One
screen
second.
is not visible, ma'am.
One second. One second. How it is unsure now? Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see, I am using T codes by this. So this is Infotech Company 10. Okay, Click on save. So it has been created one more customizing request. So I have created info 10. So company name is Infotech Company 10. Like this I have done. Click on save back. Now again next T code will be using. So on the T code bar you will use another T codes. Let's close this file, not required right now. So define company OX15. Define company code OX02. So what we need to do in the T code bar /n OX02. Don't use any caps lock, students. Don't use any caps lock. Directly you can use this is very shortcut way. In 1 hour 2 hours if you sit, lot of things you can create on that. Okay, so click on new entries. Company code is info I am creating. So company name will be Infotech Company 10. Understanding? So city I'll take here Bangalore, country India, currency INR, languages EN. All these things we have done. Click on save. So here we have to do company name is Info Tech Company 10. So I'll give you postal code 560011. This is Bangalore, country India, region is 10. Okay, so click on this. So this is customizing request has been created. You can save this. Save and back. Again you can come back. Now again I'll use the next T code. Next T code is assign company code to company OX16. So what we'll do here /n OX16. So this is your company code. Click on positions. Company code is info. So I need to assign with the company info 10. So here you need to sign info 10. So click on save. Correct. So like this. So back screen /n. I will show you one thing. Whatever we are creating now, that will be getting saved. T codes are getting saved in the T code bar. Okay, once you will do no, it will be save on this. Whenever you want, you can use that one. You need to remember that. That's all. Next is OB45. What is that? OB45. Today I'll send you practice with this /n OB45 and not use caps lock. So click on new entries. So here credit control area is info only I'm giving because that is only my company code. Then I'll give here currency INR. Limits is 1 lakh. Click on this save. Next word is that so save and back. So here I have to type credit control area for info. Next is OB03. Assign credit control area. I have not given T code. I'll give later on. So define business area. So likewise other T codes you have to use, students, like all the T codes are there. So it is A indicates all this thing is there. So I'll just edit on this. What is the uh, assign of the credit control area to company. So that is the T code. So define business area. You need not to assign for this functional area not required, students. This I'm going to change. So here instead of that I'll give some more things. That is called assign company code to Assign company code to credit control areas. Assign company code to credit control area. Just let me 1 second. So this is OB38. So this is OB38. So I'll just try this slash and OB38. Yes, assign company code to credit control area. So click on the positions. So info, press enter. This is here you take the cursor. Info. So this I have one T codes I have added here. Okay. Next is define business area. Also you can do it OX03. This is O. Round means O. 0 is for round shape is there. No oval shape. That is 0. OX03. So this is slash n. So I have saved the data back. Slash n OX03. Array, it is something. Business area. Yes. Click on new entries. This is info. So business area for what is that? Info. So understood students how we are doing all these things? Clear? By T code it will be easy. Quickly you can get all the T codes will be saving here. Once you have used whatever the T codes it will be saved there. Suppose I am going to here, press enter. It will take you to there. Suppose I want to go to the this one. Press enter. It will be taking you there. Okay, so if I'll click on this, it's very useful. OX15. So if you press enter, it will take you to that screen. It will be very easy for you. In a few times, few minutes, you can create all these things. OBD3. Press enter. So it will take you to the different places like vendor accounts group, all this thing, which has already done. Okay, so this is SPRO screen F-02. So this also it will take GL account posting. So it is useful, very important. If you are remembering T code, you will be able to in the practical life lot of things we can do it. So now I am asking something before starting accounts payable. I want to ask you. Anyone wants to share the screen now? Vrinda, okay. So 1 second, Vrinda. I'll just stop sharing. Just a minute. Okay, now you present your screen, Vrinda. Vrinda, you can present your screen now. I have stopped sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, displaying now on the screen. Tell me where is the. So just click on open virtual machine and see that. Okay, anything is displaying here.
It's showing this one, ma'am. I put in the license key and this was the last thing.
Acha, you close this. I'll just check it out. Close it totally. When sir shown you how to do this, na, double click on the software first. Okay, open a virtual machine. Click on this folder. It is not opening. Click on open once because it will show one file. Acha, SAP, that one. Double click on this folder. Yes. Now you do last option. You select last option. Yes. Last option you select and open. You do.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now you go to the resume the virtual machine. It will work now. Little mistake was there. Just don't show the message again. You click and okay. What is displaying? Close this. Cancel beta. Close one. Okay. Start once again. Close those. Don't cancel it. Close it and telling. Do
It's
not click
going.
on cancel once. You stuck somewhere in the password time. It is showing in that error. Asha, one thing you do, close it is how what is happening. You see that. Do not cancel. Do not other options. You don't click. Close this. That is in the folder only. The little problem is that it can be solved. Close the that one dialog box.
Uh, this one, ma'am.
Huh.
It's going back.
Okay, no problem. ECC Windows Server is there, no? That right click on this, no, left side, just below the My Computer, on ECC Windows Server is there. Huh. Right click on this. I'll just take. No, everything is set out. Okay, click outside. Outside you click anywhere. Click on resume the virtual machine. Actually, you have stopped in the SAP logon screen. So don't close directly. You close. It is taking like that. What options can you read once? I'm not able to see that.
I moved it, I copied it, cancel.
I mold it.
Moved it.
I copied. I copied. You click once. Yes, you click. Let's see what is going to happen. Now it is loading. It will work now. What is that?
Uh, Failed
What the
to restore Ethernet.
what the two option is displaying?
Discard and preserve.
Discard. You click once. Why this and not display? Discard.
Went
Now
back.
you click. Now it will open. I think. Let's say power on. Now it is asking. Okay, click on that. No, there is a issues. It is software issues. What we can do? Close it. There is some error is displaying. Uh, Now one thing we can do, power on the virtual machine. So here we have options called power on the virtual machine. Click on that. Power on the virtual machine. What is showing failure? Click OK. How it is happening? We have one triangle button. You can see in the top. There you right side one drop down menu is there. Check once. There, click. So set of power on. It is power off actually. I think click on this power on. No, it is software fully. Somewhere it is stopped. Close this again. Reopen that. Close this. Close this. Okay. Now you do one thing. Close the screen fully. Okay. Then reopen once again. If it is possible, I'll solve it, or else admin can do that. So open virtual machine. Now you see there is some more options are displaying. So down one actually, not the folder. We should not click. Windows Server. Click and open. So it is showing like that.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is difficult to then. Uh, Power on. It is not working. Also click there because that screen before it was showing SAP logon. It is a technical error only. It is difficult to solve. You have to check with the admin only. To check with the admin. There is some more option is displaying. No, 2003. Close it. I'll show you once again. We can choose another options if it is possible. Okay, close it and reopen the software once. I'll try to solve. If not, then you can contact to the admin sir who has installed. What happens, students? This directly, if you close, the software will be, the screen will come like that. You should not close directly. So, open virtual machine. Click on this. So it is showing 3 to 4 more. Na? Anything is still showing 2003 or something versions. So enterprise, the third options, I think. VMware, second option you check. No, this one. 1, 2, 3, not that one, ma. Not that one. Huh. 1, 2, 3, third options. That one you see. ECC 6 is displaying, na?
Uh,
No, it is not happening actually. Folder you open once again. That one. Double click on that. Or select and open. It's not coming, right? It is a folder only. How will get it? Open once. Put the cursor there and try to open. Admin sir is not there now, or else I could have called him. 2003 editions. Okay. He will be seeing in the recordings, and I'll ask him what to. He will tell you. Okay. So,
okay.
any other students, any other doubts? Create virtual means one more screen will come. So there is some more technical issues that can be solved. It is not fully gone. It can be solved, but I'll show the videos. I'll tell him to see that, and let's clear on this. Any other students have any other doubts here? Apart from this technical issues related to subjects, any things you did not understand? Hello, yes, students, and response once, or else we can start with the introductions of accounts payable. See this, I want to show you one thing here. Here we have some options. Are you getting this screen, students? Vrinda? Here, power on, power off is there.
Ma'am, it's not shared. The screen is not shared.
A screen is not shared. Okay, I'll just share it with you. And let me see first. See this. Are you getting this screen? This is called ECC Windows Server 2003. This topper screen is displaying, students. So in that we have options called suspend guest always I'll do no. So in that we have the shutdown guest is there. Is it displaying, Brunda, for you? You can shut down the guest again. You can restart it at my point. If this particular screen is displaying, Please suspend the guest, suspend, not shut down the guest, and restart the guest.
No, ma'am, it's not showing.
This particular bar is not displaying for you.
No, ma'am.
How it will be displaying? It will display. Can you send the screenshot in the group? I'll just check it out because over this I'm not getting screenshot once you share. Particular what the error is displaying, no, that you take a screenshot and send it group. I'll check with him
Yes,
what can
ma'am.
be done.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Tomorrow he will come, I'll show him. Maybe he will not see the recordings, so if I show the pictures, maybe you'll get to know where is the mistakes. I'll just check with him by tomorrow morning if he comes. I'll show this particular. Even he can also see that where is the stuff. This is the powerful software. If you directly close, there is a chances of stucking the software. That's what we always telling. We'll suspend the guest. Power on, power off means there is a longer procedure will be there, which we will be not able to do properly. Okay, so I'll show this two error message.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and I can see. Okay, next I'm giving introductions to little accounts payable. Okay, so we are going to start from tomorrow. So what is accounts payable, students? Accounts payable means SAP FI accounts payable is used to manage and records accounting data for all the vendors. All invoices and deliveries are made as if, what do you mean by vendors? As a suppliers of goods and services, right? So vendor request. Payable are managed as per the payment programs, and all the payments can be made using checks, transfer, electronic transfer, etc. Okay, so what is accounts payable in SAP? Accounts payable is an important applications of SAP FICO module that has to record the managed accounting data of all vendors in a SAP So please make a note on this. And today I'm going to send the T codes also. Please practice with that. Brinda's problem we'll try to solve. All students, please make a note on this. And accounts payable AP is important applications of SAP FI module, and that has two records. The controlling is the last one, not now. SAP FI modules, and it helps in to records the manage accounting data of all vendors. In SAP, sundry creditors are called as the accounts payable, and sundry debtors are called as accounts receivable. So SAP accounts payable accounting is also called as a subledger accounting, as the business transactions are carried out individually in the vendor accounts. So in normal accounting, for raw materials purchase accounting entries would be like below. So please make a note on this and all the procedures. Before going, I'll tell you the what is the account type, how to create document types. Okay, just make a simple notes in the software. I'll tell you how to create document types. Next is one example is given here, students, like SAP accounts payable, accounts subledgers accounting, as the business transactions are carried out individually in the vendor accounts. In normal accounting, for raw materials purchase accounting entry would be like below. Purchase account debited to parties account means vendor account means creditor account. Okay, done. Next, I'll show you this. So there is where is the SAP entries will be like inventory, raw materials, general ledgers, two party also sub ledgers like we want to create. This is a sub ledgers and it automatically updates sundry creditor GL account. Okay, here we have one example procurement cycle. So payment processing, determinations of requirements, invoice verifications, goods receipt, procurement, purchase order, vendor selection, source of determinations, PO monitoring, PO processing. So this is all related to your vendor processing. So there is a some more creations path vendors is there SPR or SAP reference IMG. That's all we are going to do in the coming sessions this week. Okay. This week we'll be doing this accounts payable. Okay. I'll tell you before that what is the document types. How to create C1s. Document type, students. Please make a note. I think you have not done document number range we have created, but for this you can write. This particular things you write, students, I'll show in the software. Today I'll show you how to create this. So document types, number range. Document types is key is used to distinguish between different business transactions and to classify the accounting documents. It is also used to determine number range for the documents and accounts types such as assets, material, vendors, etc. for posting. Please make a note on this. I'll increase the size. Clear? Please make a note on this. So it is very important things. Path I will show you on the software. Okay, completed. Students, you have written this. So everyone has done this. Which document? Okay, so let's proceed with this. Documents types, number range. So document types key is used to distinguish between the different business transactions and to classify the accounting documents. It is also to determine the numbers. Now let's go to the example here. SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG. So financial accounting global settings, document, document number ranges. Not this one. Business and second, document types. Hmm. Business transactions. Wait, it is there. Financial account, general ledger accounting, fiscal year, document number ranges, copy to this document header. Yes, students, this is the document types. Please write the path for this. So what is that? Financial accounting global settings, document number is document header. Write the path, students. Go to SPRO, financial accounting, global settings, then then document number range, document number ranges. Then down you will get options document header. In this we have defined document types. So path I'll show you and I'll tell you once again. Financial accounting global settings, document, then document head number ranges, then document header, then define document types. Once you click on these positions, you can say document type KA for vendor account. Click on this. So vendor account, double click. This is the 17 number range is there, students. So click on number range informations. So our company is there, TA10. Okay. So here you have to do change intervals. One second. I'll just see what is the number range for this. This is 17 number range, students. You need not to change that. Just give the company code and create a 17 number range. So intervals. So you have to type here 17 2024 1. I'll create, then I'll do later on. So 2002 299. Why I'm giving 2000 range? Because I have created 1000 ranges for normal GLs. Okay, so GL account I have created already 1000 number range. So for vendor account document I am creating 2000 to 299 ranges. Click on this and then save. Already it is there. See, one it is there. So we have to create 17. 17 instead of that any other numbers you don't give, students. It is inbuilt. You need not to change on this. Assets, vendors, material, GLs. Okay, save and back again. Likewise I'll do for KR. KR. So KR is for vendor invoice. Double click on this 19 number range. TA and 0. This is display intervals, this is change intervals. So this we have to create intervals 19. Okay. Then 2024. So what I'll give 3000 to 399. Click on this. So 19 number range also has been created. Okay, back. Likewise we need to do another one more last, that is a customer. When I'll teach you that time I'll create, not now. So KZ is for vendor payment. So select this 15 number range. So this is give TA 10, change intervals, then here I'll type 15 2024. So I'm giving 3000 already given, 4000 I'll give. Okay, click on save, then save. So this all data has been saved. Correct. Come back, save again and back. So if I'll do SA, already it is there, we need not to do. SA is not required because that is for GL posting. So GL account document, already been created. 0 1. If I'll give TA 10, if I'll go to change intervals, already 0 1 has been created. Students, you need not to create. Understood? So likewise for customers will create when you will do accounts receivable. So that's all. You practice with this how it will be working, and this is the defined document types we have done. So tomorrow I'll start with the accounts payable, how to create vendor account, how to create this in postings, how it's like documents. Already we created document types, then we'll do posting, parking, and parking is not the direct posting is there. So that is the general vendor invoice posting. Okay, so it will take 1 2 more classes for this. So Friday again, any doubt sessions or something is there, will revise. Next will be the accounts receivable. Okay, any doubts is there, students? You understood today? Today's sessions, any doubts is there? So technical issues we'll try to solve today. Anyhow, by tomorrow morning when admin sir will come, I'll just ask him how to solve this. I'll be telling you that. Okay. Anyone has any technical issues or something, you can come to the Jayanagar, NICT Jayanagar. It is in 4th block, Bhagwati Tower. So anyone is related to software issues, you can come and check with this admin. Okay. Any other queries, students? Hello. Any other queries? So if all students you understood, put your response. Okay. I'll share you T code right now. So please practice with that. If any doubts, you just let me know in the class. Okay. And like how Brinda has shared the screen, those who are already started working on this, any point you are stuck in, any options you are not able to follow. So Sanya need not install the software. You should install Sanya. You can come to the Jayanagar, you can install it also. And ICT Jayanagar, you can put in Google Map, you can come. Always welcome students. You can come and get ready your system for the software. Okay. Our center is open from 7 to 9, evening 9. So all the days, Monday to Saturday, it's open. Already our admin sir has went and installed. Till anyone has not installed or any software issues, you are always welcome to come and solve the problems. Okay. So that's all for the day, students. I'm sending one T code file. Download it and practice with us. And related to topics, whatever I taught, at last I'll send you. So for your reference, any of recordings will be there. That also we can see that. And any required notes I'll be sending in the group. In the coming sessions, I'll send. Okay. So that's all for the day, students. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Good night.